Hello folks, Hot Rod Rodney 25 coming back to you with another cancellation for Train Tunnel Thursday tonight at 7 p.m. April 8th. So hopefully next Thursday I will be able to get back to a live stream deal. Sorry guys, losing my train of thought here. Yeah, and yes, if you hear that, that is cats in the background of me in the garage fighting. So anyway, tonight's live stream is canceled, so make sure you check out Hanging Out with the Cuz tomorrow night, Friday, April 9th, 2021, for on BNSF 6951's channel, and for what he has in store for everybody, and we'll catch you next time. I really don't have nothing else to talk about right now. Look for a racing video. It won't have much footage, but I will try to put down in the description actually what happened and everything. So be on the lookout for that when I get it downloaded from my GoPro to the phone and go from the phone into YouTube, because I don't know how else to actually get it to go any faster. So anyway guys, tonight's live stream is canceled for Train Tunnel Thursday, April 8th, 2021. Bye for now.